Good morning, everyone. Well, today we will start our chapter from cropping pattern in India. You have studied the physical diversity and plurality of cultures in India. These are also reflected in agricultural practice and cropping pattern in the country. ये उसमें भी दिखाई देते हैं. Various types of food and fiber crops, vegetables and fruits, spices and condiments, etc., constitute some of the important crops grown in the country. And that's why India has 3 cropping season: Rabi season, Kharif season and Zaid season. Now, first of all, we will take Rabi season. These Rabi crops are grown in winter from October to December and harvested or काटी जाती है in summer from April to June. Some of the important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. Though these crops are grown in large parts of India, but states from the north and northwestern parts such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh are important for the production of wheat and other Rabi crops. Why? Because availability of precipitations during winter months due to the western temperate cyclones helps in the success of these crops. However, the success of green revolution, we studied this about in 9th class also, in Punjab, Haryana, western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of above mentioned Rabi crops. Now, second cropping season is Kharif. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoons, means advancing monsoons, in different parts of the country, and these are harvested in September and October. Important crops grown during this season are paddy, means rice, maize, jawar, bajra, arhar, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soya bean. Some of the most important rice growing regions are Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra, particularly the Konkan coast, along with Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Recently, paddy has also become an important crop in Punjab and Haryana. In states like Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year, and they are Os, Amman and Boro. In between the Rabi and Kharif season, there are 2 main cropping season. There is a short season during the summer months known as Zaid season. Some of the crops produced during Zaid are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops. These are 3 cropping seasons. Sugarcane takes almost a year to grow, so we cannot include it either in Rabi season or in Kharif season. Now, let us start with major crops. A variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different parts of the country depending upon the variations in soil, climate and cultivation practice. Major crops grown in India are rice, wheat, millets, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, oilseeds, cotton and jute, etc. Now we'll start one by one. Let's start with rice. It is a staple food crop of a majority of people in India. ये main food crop है बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों का. Our country is the second largest producer. Underline these things. Second largest producer of rice in the world after China, means China is at the first number and second is India. It is a Kharif crop which requires high temperature, about 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity, but rainfall is more than 100 centimeter per annum. In the areas of less rainfall, it grows with the help of irrigation. Rice is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and the deltic regions. Now, development of dense network. Let me come. Of canal irrigation and tube well, क्योंकि canal irrigation और tube well की वजह से have made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall such as Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan even. Now let's take the second important food crop. This is the second most important cereal crop, and it is a main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country, as in Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan. This rabi crop requires a cool growing season, उगाने के टाइम पे ठंडा, and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall, evenly distributed over the growing season. There are two important food growing zones in the country: the Ganga-Satluj plains in the northwest and the black soil region of the Deccan. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and parts of Madhya Pradesh. We are well known about the wheat of Madhya Pradesh, that means they are of quality. The third one is millet. Jawar, bajra and ragi collectively are known as millets. Though these are known as coarse grains, they have very high nutritional value. For example, ragi is very rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrients and roughage. Jawar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is a rain-fed crop, means less amount of water is required, mostly grown in the moist areas with hardly needs irrigation. Major jawar producing states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Next, bajra grows well in sandy soil and shallow black soil. Major bajra producing states are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. We have taken the figure 2011 and 12. Ragi is a crop of dry region and grows well in red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow black soil. Major ragi producing states are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Maize. It is a crop which is used both as food and fodder, and it is both. It is a kharif crop which requires temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in old alluvial soil. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in rabi season also. That's why I am saying that this crop can be grown in kharif as well as rabi season. Use of modern inputs such as HYV seeds, fertilizers and irrigation have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh. Now let's come to pulses. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. Underline this line. These are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Major pulses that are grown in India are arhar, we also announce as tur, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. Can you distinguish which of these pulses are grown in kharif season and which are grown in the rabi season? Pulses need less moisture, कम नमी की ज़रूरत है, and survive even in dry condition. Being leguminous crops, all these crops except arhar help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Therefore, these are mostly grown in rotation with other crops. Major pulse producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. So this is all for the day. Tomorrow we will start the food crops other than grains, and we'll start with sugarcane. So this is all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.